To automatically save screenshot to a specific folder or album on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to change the default screenshot folder location. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap screenshot and screen recording. Under screenshot section, tap save screenshot in. Now navigate to the folder you like to use to save your next screenshot. As the example, we will save screenshot to a new folder named June 24 in the internal storage. To do so, go to the internal storage and then tap plus icon at the top right to create a new folder. Type the folder name and then tap create. Select the folder you have just created and then tap done button. Next, to see the result, take a screenshot. Open the screenshot in the gallery app. Next, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to view the details of the screenshot. You can see that the screenshot has been saved to the new folder you select, in this case to the June 24 folder. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.